Loving yourself is never an overnight feat, but countless small and gentle steps. Just like a seed, it needs sunshine, rain, and patience to finally grow into a towering tree. Our hearts are the same. They need to be irrigated with love and care to make them rich and dense. However, have you ever stopped and listened carefully to the inner voice that longs to be seen and loved? If love is an answer, then a small step every day is the key to unlock the door of happiness. To love yourself is to learn to accept your imperfect self. Life is like a stream, twisting and turning, but each winding has a unique scenery. Whether the true self is often buried by the pain of the past or the expectations of the outside world, but the inner trauma is not incurable, but a treasure waiting to be discovered. Daily self-accession is like applying a gentle ointment to the wounded heart. Over time, the scars will become the emblem of our life and shine with tough light. Change does not need a sudden loud noise, but accumulation between bits and pieces. Leave a moment of quiet time for yourself every day and listen to your inner voice. Say a word of encouragement for yourself every day, so that the energy of love can penetrate into every cell. Do a small thing for yourself every day, even if it is just a cup of warm tea. These small actions will be woven into tenacious power to help you get through the storm of life, towards inner stability and happiness. To love yourself is to sow the seeds of kindness in the depths of your heart. It is a land waiting to be nourished, longing for sunshine and looking forward to rain and dew. Our inners are barren due to daily neglect and hardened by the pain of the past. But daily smiles, gratitude and kindness are the sources of irrigation for this land. Although the seeds are small, they will germinate over time and eventually bloom the flower of hope. The small steps every day are the lighthouse in the dark. Guide the way home for the lost soul. These steps, which may be insignificant, are as warm as a lamp. Let me tell you that no matter how far the journey is, love will always be with you. When you are willing to light this lamp for yourself, you can see that in the deepest darkness, in fact, there has always been light. The journey of healing is a gentle persistence. Our hearts are like a sea, tossed by the storms of life. But a smile and encouragement every day, it is the sail that calms the waves and leads us to a calm harbor. When we are willing to inject the energy of love into ourselves in our daily actions, this sea will no longer be shaken by the wind and waves of the outside world. Instead, it becomes a source of strength deep in our hearts. Loving yourself is a long journey, but every step is meaningful. No need to change overnight, no need to break through. Every day's action, even a small one, is a gift of love. When you do a little thing for yourself every day, this journey will no longer be lonely, but full of hope and joy. Because every step is a ladder to happiness.